Hi everybody, Patrick here from EngineeringShock.com, ElectronicLessons.com, and PaintballProps.com. This is my first attempt at a singing flyback transformer circuit. Nothing extravagant at this point. I'm still tuning it, but I have to go on to something else right now, so I figured I'd take a video to document it as it is right now. So this, I didn't want to use my iPod because I was too afraid that I was going to damage it with EMI caused by the transformer. So what I used one of my my audio chip boards, programmed it with some audio bytes, namely the Super Mario sound byte, a Ninja Gaiden sound byte, a Cabal sound byte, and a Punch-Out sound byte. And it's not overly loud, but it's loud enough for now. So that signal is fed into an LM324 audio amplifier. I should have used an LM741, but I didn't have any in stock, so it's not exactly an AC wave. It's got the positive side of the DC wave, and that's okay, or the AC wave. That's okay. So I'm amplifying it using that variable resistor. I can tune it to maximum amplification or minimum amplification, and the output is fed through a coupling capacitor, which sends the coupled signal, so it turns it into a real AC signal, which is fed into the control pin, the CTRL pin, pin 5 of a 555 timer. I use these two resistors for RA and RB, and they are both 50K multi-term potentiometers. So I can tune the frequency that pulses the primary coil of the flyback transformer through this IRF 540 FET. My power supply is very limited, unfortunately. I don't have a solid power supply to get really large arcs and loud sounds, but I can manage. So again, audio board, amplifier / oscillator, and FET to control the flyback. And these two leads are but this is where we'll see our arc. I've fiddled with many different variations. I get some decent audio when I've got the two arcing pins about 1.5 centimeters away from one another. So I'll show you a quick look, a close-up of the boards, then we'll do a demonstration. Audio amplifier based on LM324. Coupling capacitor right here, 2.2 micro. 555 timer. Creates the oscillation to power the FET, which creates an AC pulse on the primary of the flyback transformer, which is right here. And this is our arc. So I'm going to give a demonstration right now. Just listen, because it's not the loudest, but you should be able to hear it. Okay, so I'm going to power up the circuit. And I'm going to play soundbite 1. Soundbite 2. That was a death from Ninja Gaiden. Third one. Title bout from Punch-Out. And lastly, so I didn't introduce the first one. I'll loop it back to the first one. That's the victory theme from Cabal. I'm going to unplug power. And so yeah, not the greatest volume or distance. There are certainly many better circuits online. I really wish I had a better desktop power supply, and if I had a better power supply and perhaps a better heatsink for the FET, I think that I could really create some large arcs and some better volume for this. But this is my first attempt, so I'm going to link the page below where I got where this circuit is partially based off. I've made my own alterations, including amplifying the audio to the control pin on the 555 timer. As well, I don't use the specific resistors that they use. I've tuned my resistors, and rather the oscillation. I've added gain for my audio amplifier, and I use a larger resistor between the audio amplifier and the control pin of the 555 timer. As well, I use the IRF 540 for this specific circuit, and just some random flyback transformer out of my kind of like my extra box, my box with the toys and goodies of the past. So, hope you liked it. Next time I'll probably use my iPod, but for now I just wanted to use this chip And it survived. There's the EMI is not destroying the chip, obviously, so yeah, I'm in good shape. Thanks for watching, guys.